Hey guys, welcome to the channel. We're out here in the carving tent today getting ready to work on a custom order. And I'm 6'1", you guys can see this log. This thing's just about 6 foot tall. Got to carve a custom bear for somebody. It's gonna look something like this if you guys can see it. We're gonna have a bear with the stump, last name, hopefully a tool belt, and then we'll add a hammer at some point. If you guys haven't already, be sure to give me a thumbs up and hit subscribe. Also, big shout out, thank you to all my members, everybody that purchases merch and supports the channel. I really do appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. One other thing, if you want to learn to chainsaw carve, I got a full beginners tutorial playlist and another playlist about stepping your game up and helping you take your carving to the next level. So again, be sure to hit subscribe and check those out. With that, let's start gripping and ripping.
Hey, if you guys made it this far, be sure to give me a thumbs up, hit subscribe, hit that bell, hit all, turn on YouTube notifications so you don't miss future uploads. If you've been checking out that shirt I'm wearing, I've got some available in the shop tab. You guys just click that while you're here in the video. Grab yourself a shirt, a hoodie, coffee cup, sticker, whatever it may be. Help support the channel, I greatly appreciate it. Also, we'll have tools and similar things linked down below through Amazon. You guys buy through those links, they also help support the channel. One last thing, big shout out to all my members. Thank you guys so much for supporting this channel directly every month. You guys rock. Seriously appreciate it, and keep gripping and ripping.
guys, here he is, all done. Big 5.5 foot bear for a customer. Drilled it out, gave him a hammer. A little bit of a tool belt here, kind of carved in and painted brown. Tough to see, but once we make the delivery, I'll get a short video together so you guys can see where it's resting for its new home. So you guys don't want to miss that. If you haven't already, be sure to give me a thumbs up and hit subscribe. When you hit subscribe, hit that bell, hit all, turn on YouTube notifications. We've been going live about once a week, sometimes twice a week, depending on what's going on. Carving with you guys, answering questions, all that kind of stuff. Also, be sure to check out the store tab. We've got merch through there that you guys can get, you know, t-shirts, coffee cups, hoodies, that kind of stuff. But I'm also linking tools that I'm using through there. If you can't find the tool you're looking for there, you guys can find them in the description below. I really appreciate you guys watching. Hope you have an awesome rest of your week. Check out some videos popping up. I'll see you guys later.